In this video, we are going to discuss how LinkedIn Sales Navigator can be used for prospecting. So we will take a step-by-step approach to define persona of what type of people we are looking for, then find the right accounts, and then find the right type of prospects that we can target. So I will go with the first step where we will create a persona, and we will just create a new persona from where we can add like the name of the persona. For example, given us we have a scenario where we are a sales agency and we want to offer sales services to all the companies who are hiring a team of salespeople. So we will say, okay, hiring sales people, and then we will go to functions. We will say sales, and we go to the seniority level. Who are these people that we are targeting? Owner, partner, vice president, director. And what are their current job titles? So we can say vice president and sales ex director, director of sales. So we just want to make sure that we cover all the people who are the actually the decision makers in those company, uh, so that we are able to find the right people, right? And founder. So I'm just giving an example here how you can create the persona. Of course, these people need to be in United States, given our case, because we are targeting the United States company, and let's say DACH region in Europe. So we save them, and now we have a hiring salespeople persona here, and in this persona can be used to find the right decision makers within the company. Okay, we have the decision maker persona, but we don't have the companies yet. So for that, we will go to the account filters, and in account filters we can decide, okay, what are the companies that we want to target. So first of all, we want to target companies which are hiring. So let's say they are hiring on LinkedIn, and we say we want to hire target big companies who are generating good amount of revenue. That means they have a lot of employees. So I will just add all the big companies here, and then I'm saying, okay, this company headcount growth is increasing by 33%, which is good. So that means they're hiring a lot of people. And where does these companies exist? So I say United States and DACH region. Now I can further filter it down if I want to target a specific, let's say, industry. But let's not do that this time right now. Let's check what do we have. So we have around 338 companies that we can target given our filters. And we want to check if they're hiring salespeople. So we just go inside individual companies to qualify them and click on growth insights and job opening, and we see if they're hiring salespeople. So these guys are hiring. McDonald's is hiring 3%. I mean, which is less than 4% 6 months ago. So their hiring is going a bit slow, but that it makes them one of our potential customer. Let's see Airbnb if they are hiring salespeople. So they are not hiring any salespeople. So they are not the best customers that we should be targeting right now. So we can also check a couple of more. So these guys are not hiring. They were hiring some people, but I don't. Okay, so KKR, we can check here. They're also not hiring. But imagine now as the next step that some of these companies are hiring salespeople. So we just select those companies and we save them into a list. We create a new list. We say, okay, hiring sales companies, salespeople, USA, DACH, and we save this list. Now we have the companies that are hiring salespeople, and now we want to find the people who are working in these companies. So we go to leads filter. Now here, what we can do is we can simply either like the filters are still working. That's one way to do it, or you can also assign the personas and accounts list. So let me show you. So for example, here we have the accounts list, and hiring salespeople. This is the list we just created. So this will bring us all the people from all these companies list that we created. Now we say, okay, we want to target a specific persona within these companies. We just created hiring salespeople or sales director, founders, owners. So this is the persona we created. Now we have 109 people that we can target, and as you can see, LinkedIn Sales Navigator applied all the filters that we actually defined in these personas and list. You can additionally on top assign more filters if you want to, and if you don't want to, you don't have to. But for example, all these people I want to check for whatever reason that they change jobs. So then I have, okay, these are the people that I can target. Or they posted on LinkedIn. I mean, this is a good one because that means they are active on LinkedIn. That means they will answer more. So you can play around with different filters to find the right set of people that you want to target. Now, in the next step, we will see how we can get these contacts out of LinkedIn Sales Navigator and then further work with them.